Dude, you gotta see this.
This looks wild, like it's a war zone.
Call of Duty or something.
It is.
That guy over there was telling me some guy shot him over there and he strangled him to death. And I tried to call him on his bullshit. Yeah, I said, you had any scars? And he showed me all these bullet holes.
Yeah, I believe every story they told you. Artwork all over.
You can lie in the car caught on fire, but you can't walk next to one.
Is it coming out of us?
Yeah, the wires.
Oh wow, look at that
Something
thing.
else that I found down here too. There's a gas tank and shit too.
But that wheel is definitely.
Yeah, that thing right there. It's.
Hell yeah,
You have
buddy.
your,
No, I don't.
You bring a gun in here?
No, I have my knife though.
You want to go up there?
Yeah.
No, I've never been here. Yeah, this is awesome.
Yeah, watch those nails, dude.
Yes. Come on.
You're gonna go up. Oh, that's a light bulb.
I know, man. Look at that.
Wow! Thomas Edison edition.
Yeah, right?
That's really cool.
That is.
Okay, hold on, sorry. Let me set this way back quick.
Okay, we're treasure hunters.
Cool shit.
Well, holy shit, look at that.
I know. You're fine.
Alright, ready?
Yep.
Oh my god. Is that a kitten?
Yeah.
Where did you find a kitten? Is it in here?
Yeah.
For real?
Yeah.
Holy shit.
Oh,
Her
it's
name will
outside.
be Packard.
Oh my god, that is so cool. You're keeping it?
Yeah.
Oh, that's awesome. For real, dude.
I have a little LED right now.
Nice.
Bugs?
Yeah. Just crawling on the ground.
Oh.
Look at this little thing.
She has pretty blue eyes.
Oh my god, look at it. What's up, little buddy? Oh man. You could not find a cooler thing at the Packard plant.
Yeah, I know.
A cute little black cat.
Best souvenir ever.
Score.
Are you sure?
For real. Oh man, is this all like?
Asbestos, mold.
That's
Yeah.
what it
Mm-hmm.
Don't breathe.
Wait, what's that? Oh, it's the pool.
Gross. No. All of that.
Yeah, because the next one's even worse.
So go out?
I don't know.
Yeah.
Man, you guys are crazy.
Can you see anything down there? Feel air coming from there. Can you get through that? I don't know. Why don't we just go back?
I feel like this is like the beginning to a horror movie. Or, like I'm recording all of a
Another
sudden.
what?
Oh my god!
Like it could be a handcuff.
Handcuff?
Uh oh, now we're finding handcuffs.
Oh, they hold the poles up.
Oh, that's alright. Why don't you just come back?
Yeah, it's like a small one.
Yeah.
Kitten doesn't like it.
Dude, this is crazy. There's just complete blackness behind us.
You guys are in blackness right now.
I know, for real.
It's just like pitch black behind us. It's crazy. These are all real, like loose.
I'll be fine. Wow! I'm a spell. Not really.
I feel like it's all sticking to my shoes.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. That's so gross. What is that?
Alright, go ahead.
God, that light's amazing.
Yeah.
I know, right?
Best $10 ever.
Yeah.
Totally
Random $10.
Yeah, totally worth it for this.
I swear to God, I feel like I'm shooting like a horror documentary right now.
Grab that. Feel it right here. Imagine we saw some fish and sitting in there.
That does really
Yeah, it does. You trying to get that pulp? Oh. Concrete?
Something like that.
I don't know, man. Look at the end of the board, though.
Yeah, so it just dip off into nothing.
Yeah, you're not. We're not doing that.
What's that?
Like a. It's like a
Handle,
valve.
yeah. Actually,
Steam pipe.
Looks like some kind of, what, helium tank or something?
Maybe, yeah.
fucker's
Scuba
dead,
tank.
baby.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, that thing's gonna wait for that.
Oh,
Light bulb, fixture.
that'd be cool.
There you go, man.
To go with my light bulb.
Yeah.
Yeah.